Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, we are tackling something that is quite literally changing how we work: how to write perfect AI prompts in 2026. Look, the days of treating AI like a basic search engine, those are completely over. We're moving way past being casual question askers and stepping fully into the role of deliberate prompt engineers. Honestly, mastering this one single skill is going to completely revolutionize your daily workflow. It's going to save you hours of time and drastically improve the quality of everything you output.
Because the truth is, most people are still using AI the wrong way. They'll type in a super vague request, something like write a script, and inevitably, they get back an average, uninspired, frankly boring result. But when you actually engineer your request, the output is literally 10 times better. You get this highly detailed, structured, engaging script that feels completely custom-tailored to what you need. And the crazy thing is, the underlying AI model didn't suddenly get smarter. You're prompted. It's all about how you frame the request. So let's break down exactly how you bridge that gap.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. We'll be covering 1. The prompt engineering secret. 2. Specificity and role-playing. 3. Context, format, and examples. 4. The chain of thought method. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. And 6. Pro tips for 2026. These are actionable, tactical lessons you can start using the second this is over.
Let's start right off with Section 1, the prompt engineering secret. It's absolutely crucial that we establish a baseline of what we're actually doing when we sit down to talk to an AI. Prompt engineering isn't just some quick tech hack. It's genuinely the art and science of communicating clearly with AI. Think of the AI as this hyper-fast, brilliant intern. It knows almost everything, but it takes your instructions completely literally. Good prompts equal great results, while bad, ambiguous prompts, they just lead to incredibly frustrating, off-target answers. Once you embrace this mindset, you stop treating the AI like a magic 8-ball that's supposed to read your mind, and you start treating it as a highly capable collaborator that really thrives on crystal-clear direction.
All right, moving into Section 2, specificity and role-playing. This is where we get into the really actionable techniques that will instantly upgrade your outputs. Let's look at the profound difference between a lazy prompt and a specific one. If you just ask an AI to write about AI, you're forcing it to guess your intent, so you end up with a generic, boring essay that appeals to basically no one. But compare that to a really deliberate approach. Write a 500-word, beginner-friendly explanation of AI focusing on daily productivity. See the transformation there? You've instantly defined the exact word count, the target audience, and the precise angle. Adding these specific constraints acts like a massive filter, dramatically shaping the relevance of what you get back.
Next up is the incredible power of role-playing. When you start a prompt with just a standard blank persona, you're going to get a standard blank answer. But if you open up your prompt with a command like act as a professional YouTube scriptwriter, you fundamentally alter the AI's internal behavior. It instantly adopts the vocabulary, the pacing, and the formatting native to that specific profession. It stops being a generic robot and becomes an expert consultant tailored to your exact project. Ask it to act like a senior financial analyst or a ruthless copy editor and watch the results shift dramatically to match.
That brings us right to Section 3, context, format, and examples. Here, we're focusing on putting the AI in a precise box so you get exactly what you need without endless revisions. Never ever just say, "Tell me about marketing." That practically guarantees a messy, unformatted wall of text that is completely useless for a professional workflow. You have to explicitly demand the format you want. First, establish the context. I am launching a new tech product. Then, command the exact structural blueprint. Give the answer in bullet points and make a table. You can't just hope the AI magically intuits your layout preferences. By commanding the format up front, you skip the back and forth and get a ready-to-use document on the very first try.
And this brings us to a massive superpower: few-shot prompting. Basically, instead of just giving instructions, you feed the AI a few examples of exactly what you're looking for before asking it to generate anything new. So, if you wanted to perfectly mimic your writing voice, just paste in 3 paragraphs you've already written as reference data right inside the prompt. Guiding the output style with concrete examples practically guarantees incredibly accurate, personalized results that sound exactly like you.
Let's see how all this builds as we jump into Section 4, the chain of thought method. This is hands down the most methodical technique for complex problem solving.
If you need the AI to analyze massive data sets or build a complex business strategy, never let it jump straight to the conclusion. Seriously, that is exactly how you get AI hallucinations and confidently incorrect answers. Step 1. Add the exact phrase, think step by step before answering. By forcing the AI to show its internal math and logic, you drastically reduce errors. Step 2 is to actually review the logic it presents to ensure it's sound. And finally, step 3. Iteratively refine your prompt based on any gaps in that logic. You're walking with the AI step by step, auditing its reasoning, rather than blindly accepting its first guess.
Now, once you master these role-playing and chain-of-thought techniques, you shouldn't be starting from scratch every time. Build yourself some templates. Here are the 5 main categories where prompt engineering really shines: content creation, learning and explanation, business strategy, coding, and image generation. Having a structured, role-based, highly specific template saved for these 5 areas will save you countless hours of redundant typing. You just paste your template, fill in the new specific details, and hit generate.
Let's transition to Section 5, Common Mistakes to Avoid. Even advanced users trip up here, leading to very relatable and totally avoidable frustrations.
So what are the classic human errors we make? First, being too vague. We've already seen how that guarantees mediocre output. Second, giving conflicting instructions. I mean, think about it. You can't demand a deeply comprehensive market analysis, but then tell the AI to keep it under 2 sentences. It's just going to break. And third, expecting the AI to read your mind. It is an incredibly powerful algorithm, but it's not telepathic. If your actual intent is sitting quietly in your head and not explicitly typed into the prompt box, the AI just doesn't know about it. Treat it like a brilliant but very literal colleague.
Finally, we enter Section 6, Pro Tips for 2026. The AI landscape moves so incredibly fast, and you really need to understand the nuances of the modern platforms available to you right now. You absolutely must tailor your prompts to the platform itself, because in 2026, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini have very distinct superpowers. ChatGPT might excel at rigorous logic, data analysis, and coding tasks. Claude, on the other hand, is often the preferred engine for natural-sounding writing and digesting massive, book-length documents. Meanwhile, Gemini ties beautifully into real-time, live search data and the broader Google ecosystem. Knowing exactly which tool to feed your perfect prompt into is half the battle. A great prompt in the wrong tool just won't reach its full potential. And hey, if you want to push the absolute boundaries of what AI can do for you this year, you've got to look into advanced methods like the tree of thoughts or self-consistency. Think of this like asking a room full of experts to debate a topic. You literally ask the AI to generate multiple different reasoning paths, evaluate those paths against each other, and then present the most logical, consistent answer. Building your own personal prompt formulas using these advanced routing techniques is how you hit true, top-tier AI mastery.
At the end of the day, mastering prompts is simply the fastest way to 10x your daily results with AI. So I want to leave you with this question to think about. Which prompt technique are you going to try first? Are you going to start assigning specific roles to act as expert consultants? Are you going to demand a strict, unbreakable format? Or are you going to force the AI to show its work step by step using the chain of thought method? Pick just one, start practicing today, and watch your productivity absolutely soar. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.